In this video, we'll be discussing the new Autotask API login credentials. This is a new feature that's been made available by Autotask, which QuoteWerks have accommodated. Previously, every user in QuoteWerks would need to have access to the Autotask security access to can log in to Web Services API. This was a requirement for QuoteWerks to integrate with Autotask correctly. It's now possible via QuoteWerks to nominate a specific user that does have those API preferences, and you can have the ability to remove that from other users in the system. So if I choose Autotask and attempt to integrate, we'll see the message API credentials have not been set up for QuoteWerks to use when integrating with Autotask, etc. So within QuoteWerks, following a 5.3 update, you will need to enter some credentials, which could be a master user of the system, specifically set up an Autotask API user, which is no addition to your Autotask license cost. So each user still has their individual preferences against their login, but we now have this master API login credentials. So again, if I now do a search, it will go ahead and return those results for me.